Hello friends, right now I am in our local Moscow. My dear loving brothers and sisters, behind me you can see this is an electric digital clock. Unfortunately, this clock has damaged. This clock it's not working good, so that's why I have to take this digital clock to a mechanic. Inshallah. My dear loving brothers and sisters, for this reason I am ready to take this digital clock to a mechanic. So I am showing you what is the problem here. I am going to turn the switch on, then you can see what is the problem here. Okay, you can see the time doesn't show anymore. So that's why I have to take this digital clock to a mechanic. I don't know what is the problem here, and the committee doesn't know what is the problem here. But if I take this to a mechanic, then they will find out what is the problem, inshallah. So my dear loving brothers and sisters, I will go to Bimgans Bazaar. This bazaar is far from 2 kilometers, so I have to take this by a auto. Okay, my dear loving brothers and sisters, pray for me and pray for us. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. All the best. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.